Hello everyone, my name is Maya Friskela Florinda Leleuri and I am an RPL student at IKIP Siliwangi, Cimahi. My student identification number is 23220147. This video is a part of my final assignment for the workshop Instrumen Evaluasi Pembelajaran course. And under the guidance of our lecturer Miss Sri Supiachayati MPD, today I will be presenting on digital interactive LKPD, specifically focusing on gap filling questions, transformation question, error correction question, and essay questions. And how I create them for this project? Let's see. Lembar kerja peserta didik or digital interactive LKPD is an innovative tool designed to engage students in a more interactive and effective learning process. Today, I will walk you through the types of questions that can be incorporated into digital LKPDs and how to create them. The subject for this digital LKPD I choose is English for grade 8, specifically chapter 3, Love Our World. Based on the Merdeka curriculum, the source material is from the 2022 Buku Panduan Guru English for Nusantara untuk SMP or MTS kelas 9 published by Kementerian Pendidikan Kebudayaan Riset dan Teknologi Republik Indonesia. This is the material I choose. They have 3 units. First is look around you, the second one, this is the way, and the third one is act now. So the whole material I summarized in this file. So I put all the material over here. And then after that, I asked ChatGPT to help me to create the passage. So I go to ChatGPT first, and I create the passage. I put the keywords and the instruction. So before I put the passage over here on the final file, I edit it first and I change a little bit the story so it can contain all the 3 units before. So I put like about 4 paragraphs, and that contains all the 3 units in that passage. Actually, for the learning objective for this chapter, the first one is student will understand the connection between the healthy environment and human well-being. The second one, student will identify action to reduce plastic use and conserve resources. The third one is student will develop creative ideas for environmental campaigns. And this is the file that for the source, and this is my final file for my LKPD. As you can see from the first one, wait, okay, here is my first page. Okay, I put here, and then this is my digital interactive LKPD for subject English, grade 8, chapter 3, Love Our World. The sources, the book of English for Nusantara, and this is I put also my learning objective here, and this is the passage that I already choose for this material. I a bit mix with my own story, but it still contains the material inside, the meaning of the material. So the first one is about the gap filling question. Gap filling question actually will help students understand and interpret the passage by identifying appropriate words to complete the sentences. So they also help expand vocabulary and reinforce grammar and sentence structure. So this is my instruction for the gap filling question. This is my lots question. This is HOTS question. I also asked ChatGPT to help me to make a question, but I edit it, so it's gonna be according to the passage. I make a little differentiation for the question here, and I also put the answer key over here. And for the application, I choose quizzes. Okay, this is my quizzes for the first type of question for the gap filling question. So this is my screen, but for the student, it's gonna be different. So this is the question, and I choose the picture for each question from the books, and then the books that from the chapter, and some is from the Google, because I'll try to find the interesting picture for each question. So I put the time and also the point for each question. This one is also the key answer. The answer key. I'm sorry. Here, I put also here. So you can play it because I already checked it and it worked. Okay, the second one is type of question transformation. For the transformation question, these questions require student to change the form of a given sentence according to specific instruction, such as changing a sentence to its negative form or converting it into a question. This helps student grasp the intricacies of grammar and syntax. So this is the example of the question I already made. Yes, ChatGPT helped me actually, but I make a little differences because I make it blend with the passage. This is the instruction, also the learning objective, especially for these questions, a type of question So this is the lots of questions, this is the hot question, also this is the answer key, and this is the one that interesting. This is my first time I use a type form application. So the way it look like, it's gonna be like this. This is administrator screen. This is the question. I also, same. I choose the picture over here because it's look interesting, right? Using a picture. So I put the answer over here, and then you can just click OK to go to the next question. At the end of the quiz, you'll find your score, how many questions you do a correct one, and how many questions you get the wrong. Next, we go to error correction type of questions. Error correction questions are designed to help students recognize and correct common grammar mistakes, such as subject, verb, agreement errors, punctuation errors, and incorrect article usage. This is a learning objective, especially for this kind of type of questions. This is the instructions, and this is my question for lots, 4 question, and then for hot question, I have 6 questions. Same actually for each type of question. This is my answer key, and I choose also the first formative. This is my first time also I use this application, and I'm so happy because it's adding my knowledge about, I believe that a lot of application now very common for you all guys, and I just choose this one because I want to learn something new. So the screen that for the administrator is gonna be look like this. You just type your answer later when you do this one. Student or anyone. You just this is the question and this is the picture, and then when you're going to find the right answer, you just click it like that. That's the correct answer. For the hot question, this one's. Just click it. This is for administrator screen. And for the last one is essay questions. Lastly, essay questions encourage critical thinking and expression. Students are given a topic or a prompt and are asked to write a structured response. This allows them to explore ideas more deeply and develop their writing skills. Okay, for each question, actually I already put the learning objective same like before. Also the instructions here. This is the last questions. We have 4 also same, and then 6 hot questions. Also same, the answer key over here. And then the last one is the application. Yeah, I know, I'm common use Bamboozle because yeah, I think this one's fit for Bamboozle, the essay question. So this is the administrator gonna be look like the screen. Yeah, when we click like this, there's the answer. This is the points. If you get the right answer, you'll get 15 points. So you just click it. We put the answer also here. It's gonna different. The way look like the screen gonna be different with the student screens. Now we'll go back to the main screen. Okay. Now let's discuss how to create this question for a digital interactive LKPD. The process involves. The first one, of course, we have to choosing the right platforms, like select one that fit for our type of questions, or software that support interactive content such as Bamboozle, such as platform like before, Typeform, and then quizzes, and there's also Kahoot, Google Form, and so many more than that. The second one is make sure each question type is clear and aligns with your learning objectives. Use multimedia elements like images, like I did before, to make the question more engaging. And the last one, before finalizing the LKPD, we have to test it or to answer it works smoothly. Actually, I already tested. So gather feedback from, yeah, I choose one of my friends to do this task, and we enjoy it. And in conclusion, digital interactive LKPDs are a powerful way to enhance learning and keep students engaged. By incorporating various types of questions like gap filling, transformation, error question, and essays, we can address different learning styles and needs. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or need further information, please feel free to reach out my personal message. So have a good day for you all guys. See you next time.